Hey guys, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. Going to be working on an Audi A3 here with a machined wheel. This one's going to be a little different than the other machined wheels I've done because these have the silver inset. That means we can paint this. Also, I have that kit, the DIY repair kit. This could also be filled in, let that cure, sand it smooth, and then brush the paint on. Either way, that would work. The kits will be linked in the description. The paint's linked in the description. But while I'm getting set up here, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'm going to start by grinding out the damage because this is pretty deep here. I'm still just going to use the red conditioning disc to take this damage out. This is real deep here. I'm not sure if the red disc is going to get this down or not, but I'm going to try it. Feather these edges because I had to go pretty deep to get that damage out, so I'll feather it this way and that. Just a bit, just so there's not a big valley right there. Alright, then I'm going to sand that up with the 320. I'm going to be using my old sander on this one. My new sander needs a new backing pad on it, and I only have one left, so I'm not going to change it out right now. See, we got to go pretty deep here with the sander because that grinder did put some pretty deep marks in right here, so we got to get all that out. Should be good. I'll take the 1500 grit scuff pad and go over that. If you're just brushing on paint, you don't need to go over this, do this step, because that'll put the paint on thicker and fill in the 320 grit scratches. So now we're gonna use the, on the machined wheels, you use the fine bright silver, or I might just call it fine silver now. It's just got very small flake in it. Let's go ahead and get this dust off of here. Looks like this was just detailed. It's got quite a bit of tire shine on it. Get some of that off the tire. All right, and then the fine silver. This is how they did almost all the machine wheels like 10 years ago. Then they've switched to doing the dark inset where you can't paint it with the silver paint, so you just kind of have to polish it up, and it doesn't look as good, but that's what you do when it's a dark inset, and that's all they make anymore. So and then we'll finish it off with the clear coat.